The importance of dashboard warning lights. Warning symbols can appear on your car's dashboard to indicate a potential problem. Understanding what they mean is crucial in case you need to stop and call for assistance. When it comes to dashboard lights, colors matter. Green or blue lights simply let you know that a system is operating. Orange and yellow warning lights generally signify that your vehicle needs to be serviced or repaired soon. These warnings are less urgent if you have a red and flashing light. When a red light appears, you need to act immediately. The red dashboard light can be a safety warning, such as a seatbelt reminder or a mechanical problem, such as an overheating engine. Whenever you see a red mechanical light, pull over and check what's wrong. If you continue to drive, you may cause severe damage to your vehicle. At Dash Center, we have qualified technicians who will diagnose and fix the problem so you can safely get back on the road. Schedule an appointment today from the link below.